I only nweta this video network na share button nke to salmozia. Na sometimes position na dey take n'okwu na ada agbagoju ụfọdụ ghara mana inyo ya anya ọfụma fu ebe nsi abịa. Ịghọtago? If there is one thing that like, it is you believing that your opinion overriding nke onye ọzọ, that people must see things the way you see it, people must share the same choices as you. In fact, everything without minding the fact that na-etua ihu anyị si wee dị iche iche, etua ka echiche obi anyị niile si wee dị iche iche, and that include choice and everything. Now let me say something. A lot of ndị Igbo now, because mụnwa na onwe m ụkwa another thing mkpọlasị, which is I just like him too many talks with no action. You can't continue to be talking. You always want to hold people to ransom, hostage with talking without action. Peter Obi this, Peter Obi that, Peter Obi this, Peter Obi that. Peter Obi emerge as a presidential aspirant of a political party. Any Igbo man a support was that political party. Peter Obi imagine there who an enemy of Ndibo, who an enemy to Ndibo. Sorry. Any Igbo man who identify now with another political party, I will not enemy Ndibo. Now, can you joke? Because when I talk about too many talks without any action, election only since after that Labour Party effect that made a lot of people win election because of Peter Obi and not because of political party. For the name how new people can hold politics. Since after that time, how many elections can people win Ugoruna because of Peter Obi? Look at the other day, only a House of Assembly member, Nden Tobuje na Onitsha, Mecha Habuye. We may re-on that election. Peter Obi we lu Onitsha, we wulu mwada n'aka n'afa Labour Party, we wunye ya kenu the man of the Shalodaka Obugwa. Ne councillor and local government election emelumwa. The whole people, almost the whole people put on a Labour Party. Hanchani ne that just shallow. Poni up menu. Jono mwe jujwa, my brother. So if we cannot identify with Peter Obi in other elections, do you think that it is all about becoming a president? And a sinu no doroma wepo anilo. Only believe na Peter Obi, it means ni ye believe kwa na other places able identify with. Now, Obi Cubana, we may coordinator City Boy movement. Bola Ahmed Tinubu. A lot of them mado choka abalaja bade. Can you follow na abalaja bade? There are a lot of youth who needs to participate in politics. We need rather our active youth to get involved in politics. You don't know? We need our active youth to get involved in politics. And if I'm practicing in Nigeria, it's multi-party system, not one-party system. For a reason. If you so that people weigh different opinions, people weigh right to different choices. Or one-party system, it will not PDP. PDP, you will not APC, APC. And if you with this multi-party system, so that democracy can thrive, can strive, that is the reason that you make, so that we can have proper checks and balances. People weigh their right and their choice to identify with any political party of their choice. It does not matter then after political party. Or neither fake. So Obi Cubana has purely choosing his own, and he is actively involved. So you can also choose the one maybe identify with and be actively involved. Some of us say for the election, ife onye sịrị ifuri onye kwetarụ na ọ ya ejetụrụ APC ị na-aba ngụnwa na kwetarụ na ihe ejetụ na pati Peter Obi nọ na ijetụ akwụkwọ inwe voters card. All these things are practicals, actions I'm talking about. I'm not talking we fight too many ogo that ends no without actions. Yes, Peter Obi might be my candidate, but oyawu to another person with reasons, and you cannot force that person ni wulile no yeso ile Peter Obi amandanka ya gba krekere na ntị because agwagomunu. The area we continue to reason with our senses and not emotion, and that's why nkwu na page nta say ezugo ohawe fa ka nji maro echiri na ekwukwa m ọzọ onye nke ha sịrị m ezugo na ewu baba asịkwa ya na ezugo ekwetakwa m. Yes, that is because I like saying things the way they are without polishing it to suit your ego, your emotions. No, I say it the way they are. True to eziokwu we feel. Obi Cubana has just gotten active, involved. He's not actively involved in a cause we believe in. You can do so. You can do so. You have seen how much involvement you can also get yourself involved, either from world level, state level, local government, or anywhere. You get involved. You contribute your quota into making sure that that Peter Obi agenda strive. But I'm telling you, I'm in sinu no do ma we quota nilo. I want to go one Igbo believe na. I've always seen patalo. No one and Igbo feel that we are speaking in unity. I've always seen patalo. A candidate Peter Obi identify with the GFL election. That is to show you that now it is not entirely left for one political party to decide, and it's not entirely left for one person to decide. With reason, because now all in our practice will one party system. Only Peter Obi may never be president or governor in this life. So don't see things the way it favors you. See things the way it favors all of us. You got even the una others na-eme onye Igbo supportụrụ onye Hausa na election ma onye Igbo supportụrụ another candidate do different from nke you believe no nya be widely accepted by you or many people. Una ebido badova ya aja. Obi Cubana a commit bro any crime, and he has not committed any crime. Only choice. Because half of video mail, I intentionally did not want to call his name. Can we make video he will not from Ratel point or from any point, so that you can understand that this is how I see things. If I a practice with democracy, but I understanding that human being by nature, some of us will president here, will president to Abola Ahmed Tinubu. How you because you dare not question them. You dare not question them by nature. I am onyami by nature because look at because now somebody I like you only like it or commit to go a crime or deserve to bring you down account or deserve everything we forjure. So also because no like you only like it because no choice so entirely choice here and right you or anybody any explanation. Imagine what will happen if some of us ban at that corridors of power, where did the power to make pronouncement on so as some extent, if I hear a demand from our leaders, you don't even have it. If you cannot allow Obi Cubana to participate the way he wants to, his choice, entirely his choice, not yours. That day, Obi Cubana will only one vote. Or who know power to go and lobby people to pay to vote for APC. Get yourself involved in that political party, either PDP, either Peter Obi. Go and register na that political party now. Start engaging. Start using your platform. Yes, Obi Cubana na-eme start using your platform. Do something practical for that cause you believe in. Operesa siopi don ora na nuno. Onwezi onye ifuru na-emere onwe ifo na-emere onwe inwewe problem. Ohokwa ife niile ara ate ya ọnụ. Go city boy movement Obi Cubana identify fully there happen here. He has not committed any crime. He's not a sabo. Political participation is left for everybody, and we have choices. That is why the system I now practice multi-party system. Mean na different political parties. People can belong to any political party. You want to go so that that's no choices. And that is why you win election and not selection. Our selection, and when you can see okay, majority, Peter Obi. But this is election where people will have the right to come and vote quietly and secretly any candidate of their choice. Even a open, that's your choice. It's your choice and not be protected. So let us stop all this. You always trying to use what you believe in. He will get a chance to see another person. If you want to support people, be start getting involved and active. If you have a platform, use your platform. Whatever thing you will use, participate in both your world level, state level, local government level. Be practical, not just by either Punon, Obi Cubana get to go away, practical into Ivaneme. Yeah? And this is choice. Major Kudundibo. You got to go. Major Ndibo. Yeah? I don't know what Bolame the Tinubu means to you, but to so many others, Omi do something do good. You got to go. To so many others, Omi do something do good. Your way of defining good governance will likely do different from another person's own. Yes, for example, during the time of Goodluck Jonathan worked with fuel subsidy. The same people, they recruited you and me against him. Not me, because the same thing can I know we can well then. Mgbe ndị do against Jonathan eto ka mụ na ha si anụ eje onye ọnwụ na ịma eto ka mụ na ha si anụ anyị ebido n'ụtụtụ make the argument ichejie ahụ n'ihu m you can hardly manipulate me emotionally. It's difficult for you to do that. Maybe niile ebe akwa niile eti mkpụrụ egwu osika so I manipulate you mana I manipulate you and so many others who hate Jonathan. Today the same people ewepụ na fuel subsidy ahụ eji wee meru iji wee kpọ Jonathan as so what it means is that then Jonathan actually did if the right. So the way is a major good governance may not actually be the actual real measurement, because many of us now if I need you in the detriment of if I need it. Disregarding the actual one own necessities. So you people should leave Obi Cubana alone. If you want to support people, get involved. I don't just like too much talking when you don't have action or working. I don't just like it. Now watch my video. You may not like it, you may like it, but at the end of the day, I've just spoken what is in my mind. Ezugo.